Want an excellent meal prep idea that can be saved in the freezer to create a healthy weekday quick meal? Presenting the versatile chicken salami. Welcome to the dosha kitchen. It's not only healthy but gives the goodness of salami minus the preservatives and unhealthy ingredients of store-bought ones. So let's start with the prep. In a blender, we take 500 grams of boneless chicken cubes, salt, chili flakes, garlic powder and parsley. Garlic powder is optional, of course. The chopped capsicum we are going to add in later. Now let's blend it. If you have a mincing machine, then definitely that would be ideal. Just make sure you check for lumps and blend them if you find any. Now let's put in the chopped capsicum and carefully fold it in. Try not to press it too much. And we are ready to steam it now. You can use a steel glass if you have a straight one, but mine is narrow from the bottom, so I'm going to use aluminium foil instead. Roll your mixture onto the foil and pat it together. Wet your hands a little so it doesn't stick. Make sure you fold the foil properly to avoid water from seeping in. I have some boiled water here and I will place the salami roll in it. We set the time to 20 minutes. If you make a thinner one, you can reduce the time. And time's up. Let's get the roll out and allow it to cool down completely. Once it has cooled down, you can now open it up. Looks delicious with all of the colors, isn't it? We make slices or cubes and it can either be consumed immediately or you store them in portions in the freezer. You can substitute flavors with Indian spices, Arabic spices, even take out the capsicum and put in some grated carrots. You can put them on a charcuterie board as a cold cut or layer it in a sandwich, air fry and eat it like a starter, or roast slices on a pan and add it to your protein plate with roasted veggies. Subscribe to our channel if you think this meal prep idea and others in the making are for you.